What's going on, people? It's Donnie D, and I'm back in the kitchen for another video recipe. And today I'm using the Power Fryer XL. I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful wild-caught salmon fillets within 15 minutes. It's a 3-step process recipe, and pretty much the Power Fryer XL does all of the work for you. You set the temperature, you set the timer, and you're done. And keep in mind, this is a series that I've created using the Power Fryer XL. I have a couple other videos, and the link will be in the description. I'm using the Power Fryer XL to make chicken and shrimp. So this is part 3 using salmon. So before I get into the nitty gritty of it, I'll need a couple things from you. I need you to subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos like so, or you're liking what I'm doing on the channel. Hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you're updated on when I upload a new video. Hit that thumbs up if you like this video. Give me some feedback in the comment section on what you thought about the recipe, or if there's anything else that you would like to see me use the Air Fryer Power XL to cook. So I won't waste any more time, so let's get into it.
If you made it to this point of the video, I'm assuming that you're liking what you're seeing. So do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell to be updated on when I upload new videos.